Hello everyone. I hope you all are staying safe and following the safety protocols. I'm sure during this pandemic situation, we have been following the mandate of social distancing and self-isolation. However, let's just face it, it's pretty boring at times because we are cut off from the daily routine of going out, be it for a job or school, colleges, or just simply socializing. But if you look on the brighter side, we can actually utilize this lockdown, like read a book, or the one that you had stacked for years now, or learn to cook food for yourself or your family, and also you can upgrade yourself. How about that? Um, we at Asian College of Teachers right now have been trying to do exactly that. We have been updating our programs, we have been updating our courses only for you so that you can have access to all of it while you are at home. Especially if you're working on our new segment of live classes that will reach out to you very soon, so that the comfort of your home you can still upgrade yourselves and upgrade your credentials. Alright, thank you so much.